When human activity slows down, the Earth quietly continues its natural cycle.
Beneath concrete and stone, life waits patiently for the smallest opportunity. Plants begin spreading across human structures, not suddenly, but steadily.
Scientists observed this clearly in real places like Chernobyl after human presence ended.
Without constant disturbance, animals return and ecosystems start reorganizing.
The process begins with small organisms that break down even the hardest surfaces. Tiny cracks become pathways for roots to expand and reshape the ground. Water accelerates decay while quietly supporting new growth. Human structures slowly transform into habitats for wildlife. This recovery follows a real scientific process known as ecological succession. Life replaces what came before, without instruction or control. As vegetation spreads, entire industrial landscapes quietly transform into living ecosystems.
Metal weakens, surfaces corrode, and human materials begin returning to the soil.
Water reshapes the land, reconnecting natural pathways that were once blocked. Rivers gradually reclaim their original courses through abandoned cities.
Aquatic life responds quickly when barriers disappear.
New wetlands emerge, supporting biodiversity across entire regions. From orbit, artificial patterns slowly fade as natural systems dominate. Roads fracture, soil forms, and forests advance steadily. Former cities become habitats rather than obstacles. Ecological succession restores balance in predictable stages. History shows that ecosystems consistently outlast civilizations. Over time, stability returns to the landscape.
What once held concrete now supports life.
The planet continues, shaped by resilience rather than collapse.
Earth has always known how to heal itself.